Come, please come.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, please come. So your name is Swayam Puri.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of Swayam?
Sir, self.
Self.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And which place do you come from?
Sir, I am coming from BPO Prabhapur, Tehsil Dera, District Kangra, Himachal Pradesh.
And tell me something about your place and what kind of facilities are available, what kind of new developments are taking place, and where do you see your place coming up in the next 5 years?
Sir, I am coming from a place who is the first heritage village of India, and the population is around 600 peoples. It's a small village, and if I talk about the tourist places in our village, it's a Chanoswit temple, who is most famous, and Chintapurni Mata temple, Jwalaji Mata temple, near about the most famous places. And if I talk about the development of our village, sir, our village is now in a developing stage, but in next 5 years it may increase. It may increase a lot of things like a lot of schools, there is a Sanskrit college also there. So our MLA sir is trying to build some colleges also in our village, sir.
So it is coming up next. All facilities are available.
Most probably all facilities are available, sir.
The internet,
Internet, yes, sir.
telephone coverage
Yes, sir.
is all there.
Yes, sir.
So your house is in a state village or it's in city?
In village, sir.
How far is the nearest city from you?
Sir, nearest city is Amba and Dehra. Amba is from different district. So Dehra is the most nearest, around 20 kilometers, sir.
So how often do you go there?
Sir, we have a bike in our home, and there is a lot of bus servicing from our villages.
So you go once in a week or once in a month?
Sir, I am in government college Una. So I take room in the district Una, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So I live in Una from last 8-9 years. I complete my higher education from there, sir.
Una, you are staying in hostel?
No, sir, in a room, rent room.
So you go to college every day and come back every day?
Yes, sir.
What about food and all?
My mother is also living with me, so she provides me food. And cooking is also my hobby. So when I am alone, then
Whenever you get a chance, you are able to cook.
yes, sir.
Okay. So Swayam, what we'll do during the next few minutes, we will talk more about you and cover various areas like your education, about your family, about your interests, about your hobbies, and such things. I have some idea from the PIQ form that you have submitted,
Okay, sir.
but you can talk freely about yourself as and when we reach that particular aspect. Since you are a student,
Yes,
we
sir.
will start with the education first.
Yes, sir.
In that, you tell me from class 10th onwards, your favorite subjects, the subjects you did not care much about, grades and percentages that you achieved in various exams,
Okay, sir.
efforts that you put towards co-curricular, extracurricular activities,
Okay, sir.
which activities did you participate and what have been your achievements in those activities.
Okay, sir.
Also tell me about your friend circle,
Okay, sir.
who are your close friends, why do you feel they are close? And in case you have avoided some friends, you can tell me about them also.
Okay, sir.
Teachers whom you like very much
Okay, sir.
and the ones who did not impress you.
Okay, sir.
What is your ambition in life? When did you make that ambition? What efforts have you put towards achieving your ambition?
Okay, sir. So I think I have to start with my class 10, sir. So I completed my class 10 from Shanti International Public School, in which I scored 7.6 CGPA. And if I talk about my favorite subject in 10th class, sir, I read actually 5 subjects: English, social science, science, maths, and Hindi. All these subjects are good, sir. And during my 12th class, I took PCM, physics, chemistry, maths as my subjects. But I scored some less marks, 56% marks in 12th, because of my parents' health at that time. My father is in PGI for 8-9 months, and my mother was also suffering from the heart problem at that time. And then after a drop of 1 year, I take admission in government college Una for my further studies and change my subjects from non-medical to arts. And at that time, I think that I have to be an army officer or a soldier. So when I joined the college, I heard about the NCC. That NCC provides you extra marks in your bhartis, Agniveer Bharti, etc. And NCC also provides you a chance to go to the SSB directly without clearing any written exam. So then I decided to join NCC, and if I talk about my subjects in college, I choose English as my major subject and political science as my minor subject. And if I talk about the teachers, my English teacher Nita Sani ma'am is my favorite teacher, but all the teachers are good. They all support me whenever I want.
Okay. Fine. What about friends and co-curricular activities?
Sorry, sir. I have too many friends in my college from my school times, but the closer ones are Abhishek Sharma, Abhishek Mattu, and Vishal Kondal and Anurag Dhillon from college, and Naman from college. They are closer to me because whenever I want, they always stand with me during the night. Whenever emergency, they always come. They always motivate me. They always help me when my parents was ill. They also provide meals for us regularly, and they are the sporting hands, sir. Now Abhishek Mattu is in Canada, so whenever I want some money for my studies, when my parents doesn't support me with that, so I have to talk to him, and he definitely helps me whenever I want, sir. And if I talk about my extra activities, sir, I take part in debate competition, playing cricket, and I do running regularly. Before 3 months, I leave the gym just because of a small injury. Otherwise, I am also doing gym on a regular basis, and whenever I get chance, I also cook. I already told you, sir.
Okay. So you had 56.4% mark. You said like your father was in PGI.
Yes, sir.
What happened to your father?
Sir, he was suffering from cellulitis.
How did it affect your studies? You were staying with him in PGI?
Yes, sir. I stayed with him for 5-6 months. Then I spent some time with my mother also when she was suffering from heart problem. And in the same year, our main sporting hand, my marital grandmother, she was also died. So these all things affect my studies, sir. At that time.
You are the only child?
Yes, sir.
And what is the age of the parents?
Sir, my father is 51 years old and my mother is 49 years old.
I hope they are keeping well now.
Yes, sir.
Their health is okay.
Yes, sir.
So, when you were in class 12,
Yes, sir.
what was the ambition that you wanted? What did you want to do in life? Like, have you given NDA exam, engineering exams?
Sir, I tried for NDA 2 times at that time, but I didn't even clear the written exams just because of my base was not so clear as my parents was ill. So this is the main reason I am not able to clear ND exam at that time. So my aim during my plus 2 class is clear that I want to be an army officer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you gave engineering exams? No.
No, sir.
What about CDS?
I tried for 1 time, sir, till now, and it's going a good exam, but I think I cleared all these 3 sections, but I don't clear the main cutoff. So I will definitely appear now preparing for the next coming CDS exams.
Have you filled up the form or form has not come so far?
Form has not come so far.
Now your friend is Abhishek Mattu, what is he doing in Canada?
Sir, he is operating the crane in a company. Last year he completes his studies. He do computer course in Canada.
Okay. How much is he earning?
He earnings approx 50,000-80,000 per month. Sir.
How much money did you ask for him?
So when I asked him for it's a time before 6-8 months, I asked him for 12,000 rupees. So he helps me with that, sir.
He gave you money. How did he send?
By online, sir. By net banking.
He sent you rupees or?
He sent dollars, sir, but it converts to rupees.
So your parents know about it.
My parents know about it, sir. And I return 8,000 rupees till now, and I will definitely return remaining 4,000 as soon as possible, sir.
You have returned that very quickly.
Yes, sir.
Now, you decided to join the armed forces when you were in class 12.
Yes, sir.
Is it because of your low performance in 12 you were not able to clear NDA written,
Yes, sir.
or there was some other reason?
This is the main reason, sir. And at the time, I am little depressed about my parents because my father takes approx 3 years to recover. He faces 6 operations on a time of 8 months. So this is the main reason, sir. I am not able to clear ND at that time.
So which co-curricular activities you have done during your school and college time?
During my school time, I am not performing well in extracurricular activities. I have no interest, sir, in any other activities. I am a very average student during the school time. But when I joined college at that time I am a shy person who talks very less to everyone. But when I joined NCC gives me that motivation to come in front, and I start speaking in over the going to the stages and talk to my NCC officers. It gives me more and more confidence. Then during my college time, I start taking part in extracurricular activities like debate competitions, like drawing competitions, like para slogan competitions, and also in some other activities like road safety clubs, etc.
Where have you done snow skiing?
In Manali, sir. Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Hobby.
Did you regularly go there?
Sir, it was a camp for 15 days, sir.
How far it is from your place?
It's about 300 kilometers.
And water sports in the Navy, in the
What-
NCC.
Water sports in the NCC, sir. From Pong Dam, sir. Habbi Mas. There another institute in Pong Dam. One Manali is the headquarter, and one institute in Pong Dam, sir. So I had done this course from Pong Dam, sir, for 10 days.
So you have an army NCC.
Yes, sir.
Who's your commanding officer?
Lieutenant Colonel R.K. Saini, sir.
Okay. And which weapons have you fired?
Sir, I only fired .22 rifle.
What is point two in this? Is it inch, centimeter, millimeter?
Sorry, sir.
Point two is millimeter, inch or centimeter?
I don't know, sir, about it.
And what all areas have you covered? Now, how have you prepared? Now, you know that you have to go for armed forces. You are NCCC certificate holder. You have not given any competitive exam.
Yes, sir.
Based on your NCC, you are going to SSB.
Yes, sir.
So, how have you prepared yourself for this? Apart from whatever you are doing now.
Sir, I take some points from my commanding officer and one of my neighbor from my village. He is captain in army. And as I told you, my favorite teacher is Professor Nita Sen ma'am. Her husband is major in army. So I take some basic knowledge about SSB from them, and then I starting preparing for SSB, sir.
And what are the other exams you are appearing for?
Sir, I didn't appear for any exam till now, but in August I am going for a CAPF assistant commander exam, sir.
You have completed your graduation last year.
Yes, sir.
And last 6 months or 7, 8 months, what have you done?
Sir, I am doing masters in English.
Okay. Doing masters.
Yes, sir.
Regular course?
Regular course.
From where?
Government College, Una.
So you stay in Pune basically. How far is Pune from your place?
It's about 70-80 kilometers.
So that's why you cannot go every day.
Yes, sir.
You stay in Pune.
Actually, we stay in Amsar. It's about 30 kilometers from my college. But my mother is also staying there. My father works from starting. He works at Am. So after my grandfather's death, we shifted to Am and take a room in rent. Then I will go and come back from college regularly.
But your own house is in Kannada.
Our own house is in village, sir. But we are living in a rent, sir, in
Who stays in your house now?
No one, sir.
Locked.
Yes, sir.
And there is somebody to take care.
We will go whenever we have time, sir, and we clean the house on weekly basis or monthly basis, sir.
So what, if not military, then any other alternate career that you are working for?
Still, I am thinking about the military and paramilitary, sir. But if in case I am not able to clear this, then I tried my best for all other chances. But if I am not able to achieve this goal, then definitely go for UPSC, sir. And try, if possible, then try to convert my UPSC job to the army, sir.
Fine. What about your cousins? What about your friends? Who are the people with whom you spend time?
Sir, I spend most of the times in ground, sir. So I have a very there are very less people in ground when we do workout.
Hmm.
But during my holiday, I spend time with Abhishek Sharma and Vishal Kondal. Now they also doing studies, and one Vishal Kondal is doing job in ITI as a teacher. And if I talk about my cousins, sir, I have 8 cousins from my marital sides and one from my father's side. So I have a good bond with all of them, and 3 of them from my mother's side are married now. They all are my elder sisters, and 2 of my younger sisters are studying. One is in 12th class, and one is in BSc second year, and two remaining 3 brothers. One of them in Canada. One is in class 6th or 7th, I think. And my cousin from my father's side, he is now doing job. He is an engineer.
So you said that your neighbors are, but what activities you participate with them?
Sorry, sir.
What activities you do with neighbors?
Neighbors. So whenever we want help, like my mother was ill sometime, so if we don't have medicine, they help to reach doctors. And whenever I am out of the town, they help my mother to bring some vegetables, some ration from the markets.
The market is slightly far.
Not slightly far; it's around 1 and 2 kilometers. But sometimes my mother was not well, so she was not able to go by walking.
So you have permanent neighbors or neighbors keep changing?
Sir, we changed our house. This is our second house on rent. We live in there for last 1 or 2 years, and from before that we live there because we shifted here because our owner who lived with us, she was died. So her son said we are going to sell this house. So that's why we had to leave there.
And what about newspapers, magazines? How do you improve your knowledge?
Sir, nowadays I starting reading my CDS or CMF books for my like political books and economics books. So I start developing a habit of reading. But by a time I am also going to the newspapers for the current affairs.
So can you tell me something about the Manipur crisis? What is the crisis in Manipur?
Sir, it's a conflict between 2 tribes, sir, which I have heard from the news, but I don't have a deep knowledge about that.
The US President
Yes, sir.
Donald Trump has been selected for second time.
Yes, sir.
But this time his method is different. Your first time his method was different.
Yes, sir.
So why is he so aggressive this time?
This time he thinks his policies must be followed as a dictatorship, sir, because he just put tariffs all over the world without asking anyone, sir. So it may increase his GDP, but it also gives a bad effect over the whole over the world, and the countries who import their things to the USA. And Donald Trump this time, sir, is more aggressive for taking about the East countries. So I don't even understand the concept why Donald Trump doing this. But yes, sir, this time he's more aggressive towards all over the world and try to be a dictator. Not actually USA is a democratic country, but he tried to be a dictator.
So as a responsible citizen, now we know what is the conflict between India and Pakistan presently.
Yes, sir.
How should India respond?
India should respond. Actually, sir, if we talk about terrorism, so India have to do like USA done in 2011 with Osama bin Laden. India have to do these kind of operations, sir, because if we can't do these kind of operations, then Pakistan and terrorism they उनको सर ज़्यादा मौका मिलेगा ये सब करने का और वो ज़्यादा मतलब ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंटली ये सब करने के लिए और ज़्यादा अग्रेसिव होंगे सर. So India must have to take steps.
When did you last read about India-Pakistan present situation?
2 days before, sir.
After that, you know what happened yesterday. Are you aware?
But yes, sir. Ministry of Home Affairs about the blackout today, and now
There is
mock drill and blackout.
But India has carried out some attacks. Are you aware?
Yes, sir. Today morning, India attacks over some terrorist bases, sir. 8 terrorist bases.
Suppose you know we think about India as a developing country.
Yes, sir.
We cannot call it a developed country. But so for India to be a developed country, what is your concept?
Sir, I think we have to provide education to everyone first.
Okay.
And second main preference going to the employment, sir. If most of the persons are employed, they give taxes to the government, by which if government receives more and more money, they will work for the infrastructure, they will work for defense, they will work for the country, betterment of the country. So these are the main points nowadays: education and unemployment.
But there are countries which do not take income tax.
Yes,
Which
sir.
are the countries where they do not take income tax?
It's Saudi Arab side. Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can India do that? No.
India have a big population, sir. So this is the main reason India needs to take taxes from the people, sir.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
Saudi have one another source. They also sold the oil, sir. India don't have this source. So India have some sources in agriculture, but taxes may be good, sir.
But do you feel that India will anytime reach a situation where they don't need tax on their people?
Yes, sir. India will definitely reach, but all the people of country needs to support our prime minister, current prime minister or upcoming prime minister. So we all have to support them for their जो भी सर वो steps लेंगे उसके लिए हमें उनको support करना पड़ेगा. Because इंडिया में हम देखते हैं सर कि बार-बार जो है लोग कभी धरना कर रहे हैं, कभी कुछ कर रहे हैं, इससे गवर्नमेंट को बहुत नुकसान होता है.
And Manipur has got now the president's rule.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware?
I hear about this, sir.
What is president's rule? What happens in a state when there is president's rule?
Sir, in president rule, मतलब 4 people can't make a group of 4 people, and
That is curfew.
curfew. Okay, but
What is president's rule?
in president rule, if people coming out from the homes without any reasons, then army have the authority to shoot.
No. When the state is a state,
Yes, sir.
the power is with the chief minister.
Yes, sir.
The moment it becomes under president's rule, the power is under whom?
President and prime minister, sir, central government.
Central government.
Yes,
So
sir.
central government, do they directly control that state or there is somebody in the state which controls?
Sir, governor.
Governor. So which are the states in India presently which are under governance?
States or UTs?
You can say UTs.
Sir, there are 8 UTs which don't have any chief ministers. And if I talk about the president rule, Manipur is the only place right now which is under the president rule or governor rule.
Or the places are having chief ministers.
Yes, sir.
We have discussed so much. We have discussed about your education, about your career ambition, about your family, about your activities. Is there something about you that we have not discussed?
No.
Any area you feel we have left out? Either I have left out or you have left out, you will tell me.
Don't know, sir. It's fine. Whatever you ask to me.
Anything more you would like to tell me about your achievements? School time, college time, society or anything?
Sir, actually, I just want to say something. I am also a social worker, and I am a founder of one NGO, which names Shiv Radha Foundation. with the help of my college mates and NCC juniors and my NCC batchmates, we make this NGO in the February month, and every month we are going to help some people suffering from medical conditions, and our next aim, and we also help street animals. Our next aim is when the new batch start in college and schools. So we are going to help some students who can't able to give their fees and left their studies in between. Yes, sir.
So now you know about yourself more than others. Nobody knows you more than you. So tell me one good point of your personality and one area which you need to improve.
Sir, I am an adaptable person. I can adapt. I can adjust with everyone, sir, in a very short term. And if I talk about my weakness or my bad point, sir, I have a little fear of for going to the toss. Actually, I was a cricket captain of my team, so I do toss approximately 150 times, and I think I only won 1 or 2 times. So I have a little fear from toss.
So you believe in luck also.
Yes, sir.
So Sam, very nice talking to you, and you are working hard. Continue working hard,
Yes, sir.
and read newspapers. All these things are very, very important.
Yes, sir.
I wish you good luck.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for sharing the information about your life. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Jai Hind, sir.